Have you faced an issue where the Call of Duty game is stuck on the loading screen? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Here's the advanced troubleshooting guide on how to solve this stuck at the loading screen problem on the Call of Duty game with some easy steps. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, try this quick setting. Slide down, turn off the low power mode, and ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Otherwise, try this internet troubleshooting guide. Solution 1. Turn off and turn on airplane mode. Slide down, turn on airplane mode, and wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back off. Solution 2. Update your Call of Duty game. Open the App Store, search Call of Duty. If you find any updates available, then tap on Update. Now open the Call of Duty app. Check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 3. Offload the Call of Duty game. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Call of Duty game. Tap on it. Tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the game. After that, hopefully, your Call of Duty stuck at the loading screen problem will be solved. If you still have any problems, then write them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.